YouTube, here to unbox my new camera, an upgrade from my old one. I don't know if you see that Ultra HD, baby. Camera costed about 200 bucks. So let's open it, bitch. Whoa. The packaging looks just like my first one. And I'm filming this with my first one. Shit. Oh. Okay. Alright. Flip Video Ultra HD. There my new buddy is. Ooh, look at that, nice. Ooh, oh. Yeah. See me right there? Yeah, see I'm recording with my old one. You got the new one? Yeah. Let's see what it comes with. Instructions. Oh my, it's a rechargeable battery pack. Yes, indeed. A little sack that you carry around with you with a little string attached to it. Says flip right there. Nice. And a rechargeable battery pack. But yeah, here's the camera. Time to get my HD on, baby. I'll do a camera test in the next video.